Hello YouTubers, and I am reviewing the third Dr. Sonic screwdriver. As you can see, uh, that's John Pertwee. He was a doctor from 1970 to 1974 in the original series. I know it was made in like 2014, this version, and it's 2018, but heck, I got it from Amazon. It's, I think, $15 right now, but the packaging is great. I think this is by Character Options. There's BBC right there. And back here is the third Dr. Sonic screwdriver again. That's the fourth Dr. Sonic screwdriver. 10th Dr. Sonic screwdriver's over there, and that's Riversong's Future Sonic screwdriver, but yeah, I don't want to mention about it because I think it's horrible. I mean, that's the version I have. I'll tell you what screwdrivers I have and what I really want to review with you guys, but alright, let's find out about this one. Let me get it open here. Alright. So this is this here is the instruction book here. I'm not gonna show all the pages. And the screwdriver itself. Looks great. I love the black stripes on the yellow part. It looks like a bumblebee. And I don't know which side he like uses, to scan stuff or whatever, but as you can see, this is kind of like a mini bullet, kind of with a red circle around. But we have the black lines over here, and this part kind of looks like a real light saber from Star Wars, but it is. It's a sonic screwdriver. Let's review the sounds here, if I could find them. I was supposed to. There we go. That's first sound. Second sound. Now let's see if there are any sound tricks on this one. Alright. Now let's try it 3 times. That was 2 times. Now let's try it 3 times. Yep. It's really hard to do with these kind of screwdrivers.
Glossy nails.
That was my brother over there. Sounds great. It sounds like the 11th Dr. Sonic screwdriver, which I have. It really sounds great like other screwdrivers. I think it's a real nice toy to have, especially when you're cosplaying Third Doctor, which will be hard to do. So don't even try that at Comic-Con. But I have the. But now I have the thirds now. I have the 4th Dr. Sonic screwdriver. I have the 9th Dr. Sonic screwdriver, 10th Dr. Sonic screwdriver, which really is fading, kind of. But I have the 11th Dr. Sonic screwdriver, the 12th Dr. Second Sonic screwdriver, 13th Dr. Sonic screwdriver, and Riversong's Future Sonic screwdriver, as I mentioned when we were looking at the boxes thing, but it's really horrible. But let me know if you guys want me to talk about them. But I don't have the 5th Doctor's, the 8th Doctor, Doctor's, the War Doctor Sonic screwdriver, and I think that's it. Let me know which one do you want me to review. Oh, and I also have the Master's Laser Sonic screwdriver, so I forgot to mention about that. But let me know in the comments below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.